This image was clicked by a wildlife photographer by spending many hours in the field. Now you will be surprised, this art image was created by the same photographer on an AI tool in a few seconds. Hi, here we will learn how to convert the imagination of the human brain to an art image by sending commands to an AI tool. Step number 1. Sign up Midjourney by downloading app or joining the Discord server. Search Midjourney on Google and sign up by registering a new account. Once you join Midjourney on the Discord bot, you will see a screen like this. Before proceeding, please subscribe the channel for more videos regarding technology, AI and tutorials of how to do. Type \with imagine, a prompt will pop up. Click on prompt and you will be ready to type your thoughts. Here is the syntax of the command. Type your thinking after the prompt, where 8K is the quality of the image, AR stands for aspect ratio like 5:4, and VR is for the version of AI which is 4. Now let's imagine an art thoughts in mind, for example, a tiger. In the village, night time, lights are like cinematic style. Type command after prompt, tiger in the village, night, cinematic lights, 4K. Keep comma, -v4. Wait till the images appears in the chat window. Oh wow, now we got our first AI art images. Here are 4 images, and U box number refer to scale up the particular image, and V stands for to get more variation of image of same type. Click U3 to scale up the image. Click the image again to open in pop-up window. Right-click and save the image. Now type another command by thinking of another example for a metallic human robot riding a red dragon, where the background should be mountains. Now here is the AI generated images again. Get more variation of 4th image. Scale up 2nd image and save it. Thank you. This is my first video on the channel. You are requested to subscribe to motivate me to bring more short videos regarding AI, technology and how to do things.